Boom! Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm your host Hunt, and today we are continuing with God of War 4. If you were not here a couple weeks ago, we defeated the Elf King, and apparently his final moments, he said that we have made a mistake. I mean, you attacked us first. he attacked us first. You know, his men attacked us, and I don't get that, but whatever. So, anyways, I think we're just about to excuse me, sorry. I think we're just about to leave, and without further ado, let's get into it. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Let's get into this. Oh yeah, right. We were doing like a little side mission. Alright. I don't think... Hang on. There's a couple of these. Okay, I could do this. Yeah, let's do this side mission really quick, and then we'll continue with the
stories to pass the time.
What kind of story?
I don't know. Mother always had stories. Weren't you told me when you were a boy?
There was a man I knew long ago. His stories were brief and purposeful.
Sounds fun. Do you remember it?
There was one that concerned a hare and a tortoise.
Like the witch's house?
Unlikely.
So what happened?
They wager on a race between them. The hare is too confident of victory and foolish, while the tortoise is steady and disciplined. The tortoise wins.
You haven't told a lot of stories, have you?
No, Kratos hasn't been telling the good stories. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna do this side mission and then we'll continue with the story.
You want a beach here?
You know it? Alright.
Come, boy.
Follow me.
Here, boy.
You read that,
Wonder
I'll
what-
get this. Oh, wait, hold on. I saw that. Okay.
I need that alchemist for something I'm stewing up for you. If you're smart, you'll find him. What realm do you just shaking off? Let me guess. Alfheim?
How'd you guess?
I'd know that smell anywhere. Used to spend my fair share of time there, but I ain't allowed to anymore on account of the incident.
What happened?
Well, ain't too sure your daddy's gonna like me talking about it on account of all the swearing and stealing and fucking involved.
What?
Don't judge me. You're the one came in all reeking of elf. Stirs up a man's memories. Go on now. I got things that ain't gonna hammer themselves.
Brock,
Fuck else you need?
how come your brother's got half your brand?
'Cause I ain't in a working relationship with that bootlicker no more. I wasn't about to let him use it without me, and he likewise. Only thing to do was split the brand 50-50 down the middle. Guess it was the last thing we saw eye to eye on. What? You want a hug? Hit the road.
Sorry.
Say, you didn't happen to run yourself afoul of a scruffy fella about yay high, doesn't feel pain, sounds drunk but probably just slow? Hey, how'd you think I feel about it? If I'd wanted Aesir business, I'd have set up shop outside a brothel. Or a fighting pit. Or a fighting brothel.
Did he say Aesir? Like gods?
No.
Be extra careful out there, you two. The roads are teeming with more than usual complement of dead assholes lately.
We've noticed. Any idea where they're coming from?
Maybe they ran out of rooms in hell. Or could be Odin stirring up trouble again. Or maybe they all got lost. Why don't you ask one while he's chewing your face off?
We'll just be careful.
Thought so.
Brock, what do you know about the serpent in the lake?
I know he's too damn big.
Alright.
That's it. Alright. Trace, you read this. And I'll do this.
These rooms read death inside.
You scare up that alchemist what needed finding?
I will find your alchemist.
So, Brock said his friend was dwarven like him, wearing a green ring.
Look if you wish. I will be gathering resources for our journey.
You don't want to help him?
No,
Why not?
because I do not run errands for dwarves.
Oh,
Oh, Kratos. Oh,
that is so weird. If that kills us, that's it. No Valhalla, no hell, no afterlife, ever.
It does not attack.
Oh. Mom made it sound more dangerous than that.
Then do not drop your guard. Come.
Come on now. There we go.
That's it? Thought they'd be tougher. Soul Eater got him. Must have been part of that alchemist trick.
Indeed. Alright, let's keep moving. Got more? Say less. Double kill.
Boy, over here.
Yes, sir.
Just keep on moving. There we go. Damn. Okay, so we need 3 letters. There's 1. There's 2.
Not him.
Hey, I thought you didn't care.
I noticed the lack of ring while looting the body.
Oh.
Hmm. Oh, there it is.
It's the ring! On that severed hand! Attached to the soul eater. Well, you know what happened to Minbari now. You can just go tell Brock. No need to fight, right?
No, we will fight it.
Well, why?
Because you are frightened of it.
Yep. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. Too slow. Really? Alright.
I think I should be helping him.
Didn't help? I'll just stand there. Help me. Get some health action. Now we can go through this door.
Be strong, Atreus. Stay focused and look for a weak point.
Yes, sir.
Alright, here we go.
Stay quiet. Make no sudden movement.
Here we go.
Oh. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Damn, it just destroyed itself. Yeah,
Did it?
kinda.
Believe it. You are stronger than you know.
Thank you, Father. Let's see if that's the alchemist ring.
Green ring. Dwarvish inscription.
The alchemist. But where's the rest of it?
Ashes, most likely.
The soul eater got him. I guess we should bring this back to Brock.
Hold on, Travis. We got some good loot. You know, that is the craziest thing ever I've ever seen. Ooh, new move. What we got? Ooh, okay. What was this one? Oh, this is shockwave. Okay. What's this one? I think I'll go with this one. This one looks more accurate. I'm gonna keep that one. Any skills unlocked? Oh, there's a few. Guess we can go with that one. Why not? Alright. We're good.
Read it.
Sir! These runes were written fast. Spells out Eugene Staney. I don't know that one.
Who lost the blue one?
So now you're interested?
Found his alchemist. A reward was promised.
Oh. Aha! You thought. You thought. You thought.
Yes! We got him!
Oh, really? Get down on the ground. Oh, excuse me. Here you go, Brock. Sorry about your friend.
Fine.
You're an alchemist.
I'm sorry, bro. The hand is all we could find. Still wearing the ring. There was a soul eater inside. And, well, he must have burned away the rest of him.
Suppose you'll still be wanting some compensation, huh?
Naturally.
Naturally, he says. Yawning for a seat.
Ooh, okay. Level 3. What was this one, 2? Sure.
I'll take a closer look at this here ring. Maybe Andvari left a bit of magic inside before he croaked.
Dwarves can do that?
Sure, dwarves and magic jewels is like flies and pig lips. Something.
Ugh. I'm not as interested as I thought.
Upgrade. Upgrade your arrows.
Now don't scuff that up. So, you sticking around for grains of wisdom?
No, we got a main mission to do. I'll see you around, Brock. Alright. Let's get out of here.
Come.
I think what we'll do is we'll do this other side mission after we come back. Yeah, I think right now we're heading to the Black
Do
Breath.
you see something out there? That tower.
I see no tower.
Maybe I'm seeing things.
Looks like we need to go around the building. Back it up, back it up.
I want one more story.
Very well. Enough. Stories are for the boat. We must focus.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Nightmare. There you go. 1 out of 9. Alright, looks like we got a puzzle. Trash, you made me move. You messed it up. Boom. We got all 3 apples. We have increased our health. Alright, let's get back up there. Of course, I can't go back up there. So that means I have to find another way up. Which is probably all the way down here.
Got another story?
One more. There was a horse. The horse sought vengeance upon his enemy, the stag. But he could not kill the stag alone. The horse met a man, a hunter, and made a deal. He took the man's bit and bridle and allowed him to ride in the saddle on his back. Together, they killed the stag, and the horse tasted victory. But the hunter would not release the horse and made a slave of him.
So getting revenge cost him his freedom. Hope it was worth it.
It was not.
Yeah, or I can just go right here. Oh Lord. Okay.
Look, we rode past that statue of Thor earlier, when we left the witch's den.
And what direction is that?
It's mid-morning, sun is over there, so that's south. Southwest?
Good.
Hey, Drugger. Oh my, you just dodged my move. Get down the ground. Okay, Trace. Oh, you did not.
I can't read these either.
You just
They're
you
different from the others.
can't read those. Alright, since I'm up here, what I'm gonna do is, yeah, it's this side. Boom, now I can come up here. How about these? Can you read these?
I still can't read these.
Oh, of course. Alright.
Oh look, the witch's magic is still covering those scorn poles. Saves us some time.
I can see that boy. Hmm. Where is it? Where is that crystal? I will come back to it. Wolves. Alright. Let's keep moving. Right, we can take this.
Father, do you think I could carry her now?
No.
But
I said no.
Okay.
Damn, Kratos. The fuck is that?
So who do you think carved the face in the mountain?
You would know better than I.
Thanks.
Now watch your step. Carelessness will only delay us.
Right.
Yes. Mind edge.
Well, there's the Black Breath again. What do we do now?
We see if the witch was right.
It's working. She was right.
Come, let us finish this.
That's cool.
Path ahead. Let's pull off.
Then we climb. Huh.
You know, others said the giants used to visit the Midgard Mountains before they disappeared.
Disappeared.
Yeah, I guess they just up and left one day. No one knows why.
Perhaps they returned to their home.
Jotunheim? Maybe. I wonder if the face in the mountain is a tribute to some important giant.
Interesting.
The Mel, we made it.
More black breath.
Matches the one on the door to Jotunheim with your step. The giants did come here. Is that a deer? I don't remember stories of a giant with a deer head. Wonder who he is. No way across. But there's a sandbowl.
What does it say?
No yoked beast, nor fearful thrall, nor rooted tree, doth no might call.
Let's search the area.
Be ready.
Oh, okay. I put up the shield.
Is that Sat? Cave? Weird.
Indeed. Let's keep moving.
The floor boy.
That doesn't mean anything. Something's missing. Think there's a second light crystal around here?
Let's see. There's something here.
Oh, how do you think that got up there? Huh. This place must have been important to the giants. It's like they're testing us. Okay, that looks right. I can almost make it out.
Hold on.
Bro,
Is it the answer?
freedom. Sure, that works.
Go ahead.
Sure. Rouse. What's it doing? Oh, thought maybe there'd be a bridge.
The giants need to test us further.
There's a crystal in that torch hole. Should I light it?
Yeah.
That
Go ahead.
works, right? Guess we have to go down and go up.
These passages seem too small for giants. Why do you laugh?
Oh, you're serious.
I'm always serious.
I forget. Mom always said you never took an interest in history. Giants are just a race, like elves and holy folk. It doesn't mean they're big.
What of the world serpent?
Okay, in that case, giant also means big. There's only one.
Ooh, no armor. What we got? Yeah, let's go with that one. Oh, we got another witch. Hold on, guys. I'm hearing a raven. Maybe. Whatever. Oh, there's another litter puzzle.
Did it?
I did it. Just by throwing.
How'd you know that was there?
Another crystal. VNR. VNR. The Let's go with that one, I guess.
Boy, another light crystal.
One out of 6. Boom. Oh, it's 2.
I think you got us.
Kind of both.
Look here.
Yes, sir. Okay. That's going
I
in
think
the
I'm gonna
journal.
leave that here for today. Maybe.
Focus up, boy.
Hmm. How am I supposed to get across there? Interesting. Okay. So I gotta find. I found 2 of them, so I mean, and that's the way to go. But I don't want to leave because, you know, of the 3 letters that I need to find. Alright, what am I doing? N B R B R B R N B R. Did I unlock it? Yes, I did. Ooh, 2 out of 3. Alright, now we can continue.
This is a lot of bodies.
Tell me what you see.
Well, they look like men, not giants.
Correct. Be you seeking treasure? See the traps?
Oh yeah, lucky for us they set them all off.
Be grateful he stayed dead.
Right.
The statue! We made it across!
What does it say?
Yes, sir. Oh, this is Durothmore,
Hey.
one of the 4 stags of the World Tree. He's supposed to watch the entrance to Yunnan while the giants sleep. Think he's still there?
I do not know.
Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna leave it there for today. What an interesting start. We fought a new boss, or enemy. We made it past the Black Breath. We did a side mission. I know it didn't look like it was like a lot for me to do, but it's already like 51 minutes, so it's about time for me to wrap it up. But yeah, anyways, I hope everyone enjoys today's video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I even posted of last week of Queso and his friends playing Rainbow Six, so go ahead and check that out. Next one, we're gonna do a part 2 of that. We're gonna continue with that one, and then I think after that video, we're going to do Jurassic World Evolution. So stay tuned for that. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. And if you're new again, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press that notification button to get more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Boo!